Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kalibo International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened. Until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have fallen during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team and our flight crew, Captain and Airline First Officer Ikeo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For our guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling